Hey, we got a gift, so you want to open it?
Yeah. Just grab something really quick.
Jesse! Jesse, wait! Did he give you paperwork?
Let me sign it and give you the receipt right here. You think we should pull it in first before you cut those straps off?
No, it's not into the hole.
Man, once we hit them bumps, I want to see that. I don't want to be held liable if that thing flips over when we hit the bumps.
Sebastian's gonna drive it in.
Okay, so
I will. Here.
No, but we have to cut the strap first and then you can drive it in. Nothing's gonna happen.
Let's see how good of a...
Are you forklift certified?
he's gonna edit that out.
Yeah.
You want to do the honors? And Alright.
Oh my God, Sabo.
What? Is it better or worse?
Look at this.
This one's okay.
Yeah, this one's okay.
What about this one?
That's that one right there. Something small right there, nothing bad.
So this is just that one?
Yeah. Oh,
Well,
this one and this one, we got some.
We'll be able to live with that, I think. What do you think? What I want to know is...
What I want to know is this right here.
Not as good as we thought. Not as good as we thought, but
Not as good as we thought.
no. But also the price reflects it.
Oh, check out. Don't edit that out, Sam. Let's go.
You know what I'm thinking? Is it hard to get a lock that doesn't have that?
That doesn't have fittings, it's gonna be really difficult. But
It's
ours
what,
is
it's
allowed
what we're
with.
it's what we're willing to live with.
True. And I don't think you're too happy about it because you look pretty red right now.
No, really? No, I'm
It's the
hungry.
truth. Look at that.
Why? What happened?
It's not what we expected. We expected the black to be in a better condition. Because it was like supposedly what, like reman, like.
My question is it better than what we have?
That's the thing, right? Because they just basically like just decked the top and did the counter boards.
Which,
Yeah. You can see it's.
yeah. My question is, you know, is it
worth what you pay?
is it worth what we paid, and is it worth putting a new block versus having a?
Just do that one and.
Haha, yeah, of course. I have to mark my creeper. Jesse, go get the part, please.
Yeah, if you look at our block, it's not that beat up right here. It's better.
It's better than what we have.
Yeah, it's better than what we have.
You wanna?
See, this one's a lot deeper and lower.
But we don't have anything on the top.
Yeah, you see that? Nothing on the top. Over here, it's nice.
Yeah.
Even on the lower side of the block right here.
Yeah, it's better.
Yeah. See, we just got some over here.
Yeah. Because we would have to counterbore our old block. And what are we gonna have to put in this?
Is there any refunds or anything or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
There's gotta be. Maybe that somebody returned that. That's why it's, you know.
Yeah.
I'm not happy with this, man. Let me see if I have the receipt. I gotta call him. I think our block is in a lot better shape than this.
Yeah.
You know what this is? If you're completely messed up, if you completely
If you
mess
blew
up the
a rod out, then you'd go with this and
Yeah. But I want to make an informed decision on this because I don't want to return it and then we find out this is messed up, you know?
yeah. Yeah, I get you. Hi, Kasha.
Hi, how are you?
No. Did you need tea?
I wish. You want a tea? Iced tea?
I thought you read my mind. I thought you read my mind. Nobody's calling me. We're dealing with this right now. That's huh?
That's why I came. I want to check it.
He's not calling me.
We have to wire brush this one really good on the inside,
be
just
able to
to compare it a lot.
Okay. Well, we're not gonna return it immediately anyway, so I think let's take our time and maybe analyze what we have a lot more. Now we
Compare
if
these
we can
two,
compare,
yeah.
and then we'll be able to make a better decision.
Because
So
ours, we had that O-ring failure,
yeah,
and that was due to the fittings right there. The O-rings just split.
yeah. But the thing is, if we rebuild it on our old block, what mileage are we gonna get out of it till it happens again?
Yeah.
You know, this was 400,000 miles.
Yeah. I don't see the fittings being that. What worries me is this. I want to put the liner in there, and I'll
Show
take
me
a
the,
bit
like,
right here.
Yeah. Are you done for the day?
Oh yeah.
Long day again. Are we keeping? Which one? Which one are we keeping?
We're gonna keep the one that you got delivered, the one that you bought online.
Yeah. Jesse really wants to go home.
Really wants to work.
Yeah. So, and do you want to talk about why?
Yeah, for the reason being is, yeah, unfortunately our block has some really deep fittings, which causes the liner O-rings to fail.
Yeah. So these have the fittings in the where the O-ring sits.
Yeah,
and
correct.
these don't have.
And these don't.
Even though they have fittings in different spots.
Different spots, but there's no seal, there's no O-ring right there, so we're gonna go ahead and stick with this one. And obviously the deck was redone.
Okay, good. So that's decided. Keeping this one, and we're gonna shoot everything. How we're
Put it back together.
how we're putting the whole truck together because we have a lot of cars missing. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, share, and talk to you soon.